Hello singers, you're welcome back to How to Sing with RJ. Today I'm going to teach you how to sing from your diaphragm. One of the major techniques that every singer needs in order to achieve strong and effortless, controlled vocals. Have you ever run out of breath in the middle of a note? Or does your voice sound shaky or weak when you sing? Well, do not be afraid. Well, because the secret is that you're probably breathing from your chest and not your diaphragm. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, first of all, what is a diaphragm? A diaphragm is that dome-shaped muscle that is right under your lungs. Yes. Now, what happens? When you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts, giving your lungs enough space to fill with air. But then when you breathe out, it then protrudes and pushes the air out. Now for singing, the more you use your diaphragm is the more air support you have. And that's what gives you a strong, steady voice. How to sing from your diaphragm. How to sing from your diaphragm. You have to place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. You get it? One hand on your chest, the other on your stomach. Now next, you're going to breathe in through your nose. And while you breathe in through your nose, your stomach should be protruding, meaning it should be coming out, while your chest stays mostly still. Remember, we are practicing how to breathe in, not through your chest, but through your what? Your diaphragm. So you're going to breathe in through your nose while your stomach protrudes. Now let's go. You see, my chest didn't move. Even if it moved, it's just slightly, but my stomach was moved. That I was breathing through where? Through my diaphragm and not my chest. Next, we have the hiss exercise. Now, how do you do this? You're going to breathe in. Yes, you're going to breathe in through your nose, and then you're going to breathe out with the s sound. Okay, now that is going to show you how much air control you have. The longer you can hold that sound, the longer you can what? Use your diaphragm. Okay, the more you'll be able to control air while you sing. Now let's go. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out with the s sound. Now let's go. You can do it for longer, as much as you like. The longer, the better. Next, sing on the breath. Now, what do we mean by this? Now, you're going to breathe in. Okay, you're going to breathe in, and then you're going to pick a single note. Let's see how long you can hold that note. Okay, while your stomach is protruding, to show that you are using diaphragmatic breath. The longer you can hold it, the better. You get it? From within you, from your diaphragm, not from your chest or your throat. Now, why does it matter? When you can sing from your diaphragm, you gain better breath control. You'll be able to sing longer notes without you straining. You'll be able to have a strong, richer sound, and you'll have more confidence in your singing. So remember, chest up, shoulders relaxed, stomach protruding. That's how to sing from your diaphragm. Now, if you like this video, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe, share, and also let your loved ones know about this video so they can also learn how to sing from their diaphragm and not strain whenever they sing. Now, to the next video, guys. Bye-bye.